Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking MIUI and ensuring split screen is allowed, because system settings control the feature. Once done, open both apps you plan to use, load them recently so they appear in Recents. Make sure you're in the Recent Apps view. This is where the split action begins. Tap the app icon or three-dot menu on the top of the app card to reveal split screen option, then choose Split Screen to pin the first app. This reserves the top or left space for it. Once the first app is pinned, you must place the second one into the other pane, tap a recent app or open the drawer and select it. This fills the bottom or right side automatically. You can drag the divider to adjust proportions, which is helpful because some apps display better at specific sizes. Make sure to test landscape versus portrait. Video often prefers wider space, while messaging prefers taller. If an app won't snap, try reopening it before reattempting the split. To finish, close split screen by dragging the divider fully to one edge or tapping the close control on the app header. This restores single app mode. If it never activates, reboot your phone, install MIUI updates, and check battery or background limits. These often block split functions. Also, note some apps purposely block split screen. In that case, use floating window or picture-in-picture as a workaround. Finally, test again after changes, because small settings, tweaks usually resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.